This is a smart voting system. You'll have 16x2 LCD RFID reader, and USB to TTL is connected to the USB of the Raspberry Pi. And these are the pin numbers. I will tell you: 5 volts ground and TX to the 10th pin, and another one is the ground for the LCD. 5 volts, and the middle, if you use baseboard, we will use baseboard here. So this yellow pin has to go for the ground. From brown and blue according to the coding pins. I will tell you from this 38 to 33, and the last pin will be placed 2 pins after this one. I will tell you accordingly when you connect it using the coding. And thereafter, after sharing the screen using our hotspot and screen sharing videos, you will get the screen like this. You will have 3 icons. One icon is for the enroll finger, other icon is for the delete finger. And to start the program, first we have to enroll the finger. So you will have totally 4 cards, and as well as you have to enroll the finger also. And remember that you have to enroll the fingers only from starting 1. So starting ID will be 0 actually, but you have to make it see that the ID starts from 1. So after clicking on the double clicking on the delete finger, you will get like this. So totally now I have stored 2 fingers, that is the ID 0 and ID 1. So your ID start from 0 and 1. So remember that 0 ID should be a dummy finger. There should not be any ID in the 0. Store any dummy finger. After that 1. Now I am going to delete one of my fingers. So I will be giving the ID number 1. So for that we have to press 1 here. So it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to see that here it is showing 2 means you have to press 1. If it is showing 3 means you have to press 2, like this. Now press enter. Now template will be deleted. Okay. So now again if I press delete finger again, it will show 1, that is the dummy finger will be in the first thing. And the second thing, in order to enroll the finger, you have to double click on this thing. Already we have one finger, right? So what we will do is we are placing the light will be glown here. So we are giving buzzer until the finger is stored. Now I placed the finger. Now I have removed the buzzer, so it was irritating. Now I am pressing the enroll finger. So after enrolling finger, it will show you how many templates are there. One template is the 0 ID. Now I am storing my finger into the ID. Whenever you click onto the finger, it will show the place finger, and the finger will be blinking. And you have to place your any template ID. System will ask you to remove finger and place the same finger again. You place the same finger, and the template will be stored. If you want to recheck, you can just double click on the enroll finger, and it will show you how many templates are stored. Now you can see 2 templates are stored. This is the way in order to store the templates. After this process is done, you have to double click on the smart routing application. The application will start. Just wait until on the LCD it is showing smart routing system, and this message is displayed. Key function, how many templates are there. And now you can scan the user 1, like that. You have user 2, user 3 and user 4, and you have a push button here. To start the voting process, you have to turn on the push button. I have given the icon where you have to, this is the position of starting. So after the voting process is started, then you can scan your card. So once you scan your card, then system will ask that voter ID on card detected, place the finger. I am placing the finger here. So wrong finger detected, my position is not correct at all. I have scanned, again it will show you. Now it has finger success. It is showing finger success. Place vote. For every first ID, it will count for first finger. Same way second ID, third ID, fourth ID for 4 fingers. It will show you a window here, voting screen. You can just press on the voting screen any of the vote, and system will show you party pressed. And whatever the party pressed, it will be shown on the system. And thereafter, just wait until this message is done. and it will show you the smart routing system. At that particular time you can just scan for second user. So in this way you can run the application. After that, whenever the application is done, if you close this switch, then it will show you the total votes counted, which party how many votes it has been displayed. So this is the functionality of your application, and these are the connections you have to do.